Everybody relax. We'll keep it together.
Here's a pass caught for a first down. He wasn't touched, and Seattle's going to take over. Reynolds to the Seahawks. Let's see if he was touched. No, he's not touched. From the 12, Jones keeps, gets a block, takes off, and he is gone. Trying to stay upright, and he trips.
This is the only way he doesn't score. It's been that kind of year for the Giants offensively. Oh, man, and they have not been.
Allen, no timeouts as he runs, and he does so well all the way out to midfield. He laterals the ball. The ball is then batted out of bounds by Dawson Knox, and a flag is down.
2nd and 17. Hassel lost his balance and then just throws it right to Revis. Flags are out as Revis is slammed down.
Sims wants to throw again. He's put it up an awful lot. Pressure comes. Bynes has got him, and he throws it away.
Pick it up. Touchdown.
No whistle, and that'll be a Lions recovery.
When you get out in space and there's no one there, right, you're outside, throw it away. You're not. That's an athlete coming at you, Matt.
It's off to Peyton. Peyton cuts it back inside, picks up about 3 yards, and a crushing block after Peyton was down. Guy picks up about 3 yards, and
talked to Tom Moore then at Indianapolis, the offensive coordinator. You got a busted play here, and then Sanchez gets hit. The ball is loose, and it's alive. And then going into the end zone is Steve Gregory, who's had an interception.
Left, Breeze in trouble. Coming near side, Colson's wide open, and now he's going to throw it forward. That's a forward pass. There's a penalty all day long. Cadets got it. But that one is not going to work. Colson made the catch. He should have went out of bounds. This should be a forward pass and a runoff, and the game over.
T.J. Jones is split wide to the left. Orlovsky, pressure comes. He eludes it and then throws it picked off down the near sideline. This is Duran Grant, and he
jumped inside. They come with a blitz up the middle, and Orlovsky, quite frankly, panics.
If you're going to 5, pass is intercepted at the goal line by Malcolm Butler. Unreal.
5, 20. Oh my! Down at the 28-yard line. Watch the shot here on Bell as he takes his legs. That's almost a 1.
And it's Matthews, and he gets stopped, fumbles.
Ball picked up by Rashad Johnson, fumble back.
Touchdown. Before he ever gets to the line of scrimmage. And then Antonio Gates.
Darius Slay, and that's just easy pickings for Brandon Whedon.
So Whedon with a first down, dancing around, he's under pressure, just flips it, and it is intercepted. A poor decision, and the second interception of the day for DeAndre.
171-yard difference. Marino hit from the backside. Fumble the ball.
Oh, Lord, Jacksonville has it. And this ball is live. This is still live.
Tony Brackens.
They haven't blown a whistle yet.
No. And finally, he rumbles toward the end zone.
That's a touchdown. Oh, geez. Nobody. No Miami. And Tony Brackens has to be cajoled. Now, right there, he was already. Now, did that? I can't see his feet right there. There was a Miami touch.
3rd down and 5. Mahomes sliding left. We'll try to pick it up. And he's already been over the line of scrimmage. And with that second effort, let's see where they put it.
Pressure. Griffin off his back foot, throwing it. Intercepted!
Columbus continues to rush. Pressure in the face. Robert Griffin off his back foot. And an ill-advised throw. And 2nd and 10. Caught by Ebron.
But Ebron uses that speed, gets across his face, one-hands it.
continues going. And
Wilson gets protection, airs it out. Metcalf is there, and it's knocked out of the back of the end zone. Was he in? And it's a touchback. He's there, and Diggs just...
He lets up.
Yep, he was not in.
No, it's just, and you don't see that from this guy. I mean, he's one of these guys who just never lets up. He's full speed all game long.
Golden comes, he's trying to keep him in the end zone. Oh, just pops it right out.
Fake pitch, and the throw to Keller. Right there! He soars up into the air and falls at the 31.
Boyer sends all receivers out, hooks it up long, and it's intercepted by Patrick Peterson. By Antoine.
Explode on an individual run, explode in the game as Moore with a fake punt hits Lonnie Johnson. Blindsided, ball is free. Look at that. I mean, Lonnie Johnson is looking for a blocker, looking for tacklers, and forgets all about the young man out of William and Mary. Book job of a hit the NFL has to love. An unprotected football player, the shot nowhere near the head.
Favre sprints to his right, throws back across the middle, and he's intercepted. Porter. The return by Porter, and he's
in field goal range. Instead, he tries to make a play. This is the cardinal sin for any quarterback, throwing back across the grain as you're rolling to your right.
Thinking about running one
He took
play.
the knee, though. He took the knee.
He did
so
take
now
a
it's going
knee.
to run out.
He did not spike the ball.
He didn't spike it. He took the knee.
Quarterback, kneel down. Which made the clock continue to run. The half is over.
That's it. Out of that effort.
Well, and he doesn't have to. You know, they were saying, well, you know, he wasn't touched, so he got up and they were going to do it. Well, the fact of the matter is he gave himself up. By giving himself up, it's automatically.
McNabb loading up deep for Deshaun Jackson. He hauled it in. Oh, wow. Did he get over the goal line? I think my challenge. Oh, it is very close.
The runner lost control of the football prior to going in the end zone. By rule, the ball will belong to Philadelphia on the 1.
8-9 Eagles. Osweiler on the delayed rush, just throws it up, and it's intercepted.
He's in trouble right about here. He gets hit by Cox, and there's just no way that's going to be complete.
And the toss to Sims. Coming to the near sideline. Cuts upfield. Hurdles over a couple of people.
Leap and hit number 24, Steve Brown, with a foot right in the head, right? Being right there. It's as though he used his foot as a straight arm.